Good day, everyone. Welcome to this presentation on bringing ideas to life with AI. My journey building an app on Lovable. Before I get started, I have a quick question. Have you ever had a big idea sitting on your mind, but no time, no team, or no technical skills to build it? We dream up ideas, tools, or websites for months, even years, but they stay as ideas. Well, today I want to show you how I turn a simple idea into a working AI powered app in a matter of hours. My name is Oliver Williams, an AI enthusiast, entrepreneur, and someone who loves solving problems with technology. One of the goals I set for myself this year is to stop just dreaming ideas and start building them. And AI helped me do that. What we'll cover today is what is Lovable. I'll show the app I built, how ChatGPT helped me build it, then I'll show a live demonstration, and then we'll get into the conclusion. So, firstly, what is Lovable? Is an AI app building platform. Think of it like this: you describe the app you want, and Lovable builds it for you. You don't know coding, you don't know UI design, you need AI built into it. Lovable creates the database, the pages, the buttons, the user accounts, everything automatically. So I have one question for you. If Lovable could build anything you describe, what would you create today? I'm curious to know. So, the app I built, I wanted a tool that I could track spending, manage tasks, and also journal with AI reflections. Also, generate monthly reports automatically. We all use different apps for each of these different things, but life is messy. And why can't finances, goals, and thoughts be organized in one place? So I created one unified AI powered life manager, which I call Life Tracker. Manage your life with AI powered insights. And as you could see here, this is actually the sign in screen which I have to the right. But yeah, an all in one, seamlessly integrated financial tracking, task management, and journaling app to enhance your productivity and personal finance management. Now, how ChatGPT helped me build it? Before building anything, I asked ChatGPT to help me write the perfect prompt, a mega prompt, if you will. I didn't tell Lovable step by step instructions. I described the purpose, the core features, the smart AI behaviors, the user flows, the performance rules, everything. And this is an example of the chat. So I went to ChatGPT and I said, I want an app for record keeping. I want it mainly for finances. However, being as I would be keeping a record of these finances every day, it would be good to have a section for journaling as well. I want that I would be able to either verbally or written input the different transactions, and it automatically populates a spreadsheet of all transactions. And then at the end of the month, it would automatically generate financial reports and provide advice on lessening expenses. I want this app to be AI integrated and able to integrate with Google Drive to gain access or store, modify, and check data in the spreadsheets. So ChatGPT broke down what I said. Then I asked it, give me any suggestions on things you feel that I should add. And maybe if you ask me a few questions to also gain some more insight. So it gave me some suggestions on things I should add to it. And then it asked me a few questions. So I answered the questions, I told it what I would like to add in, and then we dived a little deeper, and then finally it came back to me with the full, as it called it, lovable mega prompt AI and finance journaling app. So it gave me a full, detailed outline, clear, concise, broken down prompt for me to input into Lovable. So, like it says, this mega prompt contains everything we discussed, structured so Lovable can interpret and execute directly. Great. Now, thereafter, I came back to ChatGPT and I told it I need something to get organized and keep track of tasks. I hate how disorganized I am, and I know I need to schedule myself better, but every tool I've tried to use has not worked as I hoped and has inhibited my productivity. I need to be able to schedule tasks and set reminders. If a task was set for the specific day and it was not completed, there would be a follow-up reminder, and so on, so on. So it broke it down, and then after it broke down what I said, I came here and I said, okay, I like what you did here. Now it actually got me thinking. I don't know if you recall here in this chat, if not, it's okay, but we developed a financial tracking slash journaling app, whereas, it would be able to track the financial transactions, whether verbally or by text. And then basically, I told it I would like for it to incorporate this task tracking into the financial and journaling app as well. So we had a discussion about it, and as you can see, it came back and say clarifying the new unified vision. And yeah, we worked on it, we dived deeper, and then it came back with another full detailed mega prompt to now update in Lovable. So that is how I used ChatGPT. And ChatGPT translated my ideas into a developer level prompt. And I used that prompt inside Lovable, and that prompt built the entire foundation of the app. So AI didn't replace my creativity, it amplified it. And now I would like to do a demonstration of the app I created. So going back here, so this is on the Lovable.dev. So this is actually the backend, the app I created. So to the left side, you could see the code and the conversation I had with AI, extensive, because I made different adjustments. But if I hide the code, you can see this is a preview of the actual app. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, it has some things to keep you engaged, like some execution day streaks. It shows you your income for today, expensive. Then you could add transactions. There's today's task. So because there's no task due for today, it doesn't have anything here. But once there is task due on that day, it would populate here in today's task. So let's say if today I purchase food, just purchase food for my mother and I. I'll say okay, 50. Select a category, so food and dining, and then I could choose a scope if I want it on the business, but I'll leave it on the personal, and then I click add transaction, and as you can see it says transaction added. So like I said, there's different scopes. So if you have like businesses, you could add the different income, your financial streams, and keep track of everything all right here. Then there's a page for all transactions where you could see everything you did. So literally all your transactions are broken down. You could filter them for your specific businesses, or you could say, okay, let me only see how much income I got or how much expenses I made. Then there's recurrent transactions. So let's say if maybe you have like your utility bill or your phone bill, different things like that that's recurring, you could set that here and it'll automatically register it. Also there's the task tab, which like you could see I have a active task here for tomorrow. But let's say if I create a new task, let's say I decide I want to lunch for, let's say tomorrow, let's say I'll put it high priority. If I want, I could assign it to like a business scope as well too, but I'll leave it as personal. And it doesn't need any notes. See, I click add, and then now it populates here. And then, like I said, once of the task reaches, it'll show on the dashboard in the today's task section. Then there's the journaling section, which as you can see, you can put how you feel, your energy level, and then write your notes, what happened today, any wins, any losses. Then you could put a focus for tomorrow, what something you want to focus on, and you could even go through your calendar and check back, or you could search your journal entries to pull up specific entries and check back specific information. And then of course there's the report section, whereas you can get your monthly reports. Then settings, connect your calendar, and then sign out. So this is a basic example of the app I created. And now, yeah, bottom line is AI is not just a tool, it's a teammate. And if you have an idea, whether it's for a business, whether it's for a community, or even a personal tool, bring it to life. Don't wait. Platforms like Lovable make it possible, and if you'd like help refining your ideas or creating prompts like I did, connect with me. Let's build ideas that make real impact. You got this. Blessings to you. Have a blessed one.